In this walkthrough, I'd like to discuss how to print your 1095 or 1094 forms from the Yearli Desktop application. So from the dashboard, you'll select the Print button, and then you can select the 1095 form option and click OK. From this menu, you can select which form type you'd like to print, 1095B or 1095C. And for each of those forms, you can select from a list of different formats that we offer. So we have the federal copy, the landscape federal copy. We also have the federal continuation page. And then we also have the recipient copy in the landscape federal version. We all know that the layout of these is not very convenient for distributing these in an envelope with a window. So we created some more user-friendly formats that start with this recipient copy in a portrait. And then we also have recipient copy with instructions, and then a pressure seal document that you could use to print those from your office. Each of these different copies has a different paper stock that you can purchase from Greatland. To view how each of these formats look before you print them, you can click on the Preview button. And the preview will show you or display the format before you print, and you can scroll through the different forms just to view the data before you print them. And then you can also hit print, and that will print those right from your office. So that's how you print the 1095B or the 1095C forms. To print the 1094B, you'll want to go back to the dashboard and click Print option again, select Transmittals, and then this is where you'll select the 1094B. Now, it's very important that you review the federal copy of the 1095B forms from the other screen. That will allow the 1094B to be summarized. And so based on which forms you previewed in the 1095B, that's how the 1094B will be generated. So again, you'll be able to print to blank forms or pre-printed forms. There's just different radio buttons that you can toggle between. And then you can preview that return or hit print to print out right from your printer. And then finally, I wanted to cover the ability to create and print the 1094C. So the 1094C is unique in that you have a lot of data that you need to data enter or import on the 1094C. And in this case, we've already imported the 1094C authoritative for this payer. And the way that you would print it is just hit the Print button next to it, and then you can select whether you want to print that to pre-printed forms or to blank forms. And so once you make your selection, you can preview the information and hit Print. If you'd like to purchase any of the compatible supplies, you can click on the Order Supplies button, and that will generate or show you a web page that has all the compatible 1095 and 1094 forms that are compatible with Yearli Desktop. If you have any questions, please contact us via our support channels, via chat and email and phone. And the phone number is 920-339-3200. Thank you for your time.